G'day, it's Andrew here. Just getting ready to head off to my mate Shane's place, and then we're heading up to the Classic Car and Hot Rod Festival in Kumeu in Auckland. It's the 30th anniversary meeting this year, so we go most years, and it's Friday afternoon, so we go up Friday, then Saturday and Sunday, come back on Sunday. Hundreds and hundreds of really cool cars, thousands of people there, and although it's actually just started raining here, hopefully we'll get some good weather up there, so we'll see how it goes. So here's what we're heading up to Kumeu in this year. Okay, made it to Kumeu, and we're just getting essential supplies. Booze. Okay, so we've arrived at Kumeu, and this is the Classic Car and Hot Rod Festival site. We're in. People looking at us strangely in this. Not the typical Kumeu car. Watch out, missus. Are you going to get up there? Yeah. Road markers. Oh, these are huge. Lucky you got four-wheel drive. So you got all your arena for car parking for the Saturday just here in the below us, and then camping and trade stands further back there, and behind that the swap meet right at the back. Those grey buildings, that's the sheds with all the show cars, and then to the left is more camping for car clubs. So here's something a little bit different, a very tidy VH Commodore, but running a Hendrick Racing NASCAR V8 motor. It's going to be fully street legal, just sort of being finished off at the moment, but should be very cool to hear that.
That's a minute ago.
just going to have a look through the sheds and see what they've got there this year. For a bit more of an in-depth look at some of these, check out Dee Bee Automotive, mate Brian. I'll put a link in the description.
From a lovely port. To a late model V8. T-bucket. So this is a concourse condition XA GT.
I actually pulled the relays apart. Yeah, you got the motor craft, he's got all the, he's got everything wrong. Yeah, right down to the motor craft, battery, and the way the terminals.
So that's a Morris Minor with a reproduction Ferrari chassis and a 327 V8. The Morari. So this is a custom built with a Cosworth STI motor, 410 horsepower, 650 kgs. So this is a twin turbo LS3. Very nice. Is a, I believe the name is Hendrix NASCAR motor and a VH Commodore. Very cool.
And after this, we headed into an evening of partying and drinking, etc. So I'll catch up with you tomorrow.